Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have an active NordVPN account and the Netflix plan that supports your device. Once confirmed, install the NordVPN app on the device you'll stream from, or configure your router if needed, because devices like smart TVs may require router setup. Make sure to sign in and enable auto updates. Then pick the Netflix region you want. This determines server choice. Finally, enable kill switch and app settings so streaming won't leak if the VPN drops. Now you connect. Select NordLinks for best speed or OpenVPN if you need compatibility. Once connected to a server in your chosen region, clear the Netflix app or browser cache and sign out of Netflix so the location resets. If you hit a block, switch to an obfuscated server or try CyberSec toggling. These can help bypass deep packet inspection. Also try a nearby city server in the same country to reduce latency. Remember to test playback with a short video clip. Finish by verifying Netflix shows content from the target region. Check the title, catalog, and subtitles to confirm. If playback fails, switch servers within the same country, change the VPN protocol, or try a different device. Some devices leak location. For smart TVs or consoles, set the VPN on your router or use NordVPN Smart DNS. If problems persist, restart the app and device, and confirm no local DNS or proxy settings interfere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.